So welcome back to Follow My Class. I am welcoming one and all to this important class. Today we are going to discuss a question from the chemical reaction, the topic. What is reversible reaction and what is irreversible reaction? So these are the things we are going to study. Then after that we are going to differentiate what is reversible and what is irreversible. Otherwise we can say the difference between reversible and irreversible. So dear students, before going to go through this question, we are going to study some basic things. The first one is, in the chemical reaction we can find two things. One is the reactant and another one is the product. The reactants, what are the chemical substances, what are the chemical elements involving in the chemical reaction, that is called by the name the reactants. Here we can find, for example, we can find phosphorus pentachloride, which is involving in the chemical reaction, so it is the reactant. So second one is the product. The product in the means, in the chemical reaction we can get the new product. After the chemical reaction, the new product will be, new component will be produced, that is called the product. The reactants are involving in the chemical reaction, the products are produced by the chemical reaction. So that's the difference between two things. As you know very well, in a chemical reaction there are certain things is taking place. The one is the molecules in a particular atom, it is rearranged, and another one is the chemical bonding between the atoms, what happened, that is broken, and formation of the new bonds, and that the breaking of the bonds which release the energy, the formation of the new bonds also, what happened, it is also releasing the energy. Three things. One is the rearrangement of the molecules, and second one is the formation of the new product, new bonds, and the third one is the release of the energy. So it is the important characters of the chemical reaction. So now we are going to see what is the meaning of reversible reaction and what is the irreversible reaction. Reversible means coming back. The reaction will be coming back, again taking place. It is always, all the biological biochemical reactions are only the forward reaction, but in certain cases what happen, some reaction will be getting it to back, that is coming back, that is called